In this next video, I will be explaining a situation whereby the sample standard deviation is given. Recall in the previous video, I said if our sample size is big and sigma is known, then we're going to use the Z interval. But in a situation whereby our sigma is unknown, so instead of using the population standard deviation, we use sample standard deviation, which is S. So here we use the T interval. Now let's have a look at this problem. It says, a community recycling initiative in Phoenix conducted a study on household waste. A random sample of 20 families. The first information you've gotten there is N is equal to 20. Show that the average weight of recyclable paper discarded was 2.35. X bar equals to 2.35 with a sample standard deviation of 1.05. Construct. So here your confidence level here is 95% for the true mean amount of recyclable paper discarded by the household. Recall, in the previous video I told you that the confidence interval is always of the form of your point estimate minus the margin of error, comma, the point estimate plus the margin of error. Now let's go back to our calculator in this case. So here we are using the T interval. Why? Because the sample standard deviation is given, not the population standard deviation. So here we go to start, test. So here you go to start, test. Then you come down to T interval, which is number 8. You come to T interval. When you get to T interval, you click on start, not on data. Don't click on this, we go to start. Then let's plug in what we have. Our X bar is 2.35. Our S is 1.05. Our N is 20. You can see our sample size is also small. And our confidence level is 0.95. When everything is intact, then you can calculate. So your confidence interval is equals to 1.8586, 2.8414. So this is the confidence interval. What if I tell you to interpret your interpretation? To interpret this, we say we are 95. You come back to your question to interpret. We are 95% confident. We are 95% confident that what? That the true mean amount, that the true mean amount of recyclable paper discarded by all households. The word all is very important here because here we're talking about the entire population. Discarded by all households. Now we are not dealing with the sample size again, we are dealing with the entire population. In Phoenix is between 1.86 and 2.84. So this is how to interpret. Thank you very much for watching. If you find this very interesting, click on the subscribe button to see more videos.